I was never untrue to you. I just couldn't love the way I should. I paid the price for words unsaid, for wrongs I never meant or could. I was never unfaithful, no, but I couldn't show my love somehow. My heart stayed pure, my silence spoke, and I failed you then and now. The roads we once walked side by side, I walk alone even today. Even after we said goodbye, your sorrow with me chose to stay. You did what felt right to you. I couldn't question, couldn't say. I was never unfaithful, no. I just couldn't fight the fear inside. I burned quietly in your pain, while hiding tears I never cried. What you saw was partly true, but not the whole story, I swear. Maybe I hurt you without knowing, but love itself was never fair. I was never unfaithful, dear. I just couldn't love out loud. My heart was yours till the very end, but I failed you somehow. I stayed loyal in the dark, even when you walked away. I was never untrue to you. I just lost the words to say. I was never untrue to you. I just couldn't love the way I should. I paid the price for words unsaid, for wrongs I never meant or could. I was never unfaithful, no, but I couldn't show my love somehow. My heart stayed pure, my silence spoke, and I failed you then and now. The roads we once walked side by side, I walk alone even today, even after we said goodbye. Your sorrow with me chose to stay. You did what felt right to you. I couldn't question, couldn't say. I was never unfaithful, no. I just couldn't fight the fear inside. I burned quietly in your pain, while hiding tears I never cried. What you saw was partly true, but not the whole story, I swear. Maybe I hurt you without knowing. Her love itself was never fair. I was never unfaithful, dear. I just couldn't love out loud. My heart was yours till the very end, but I failed you somehow. I was never oil in the dark, even when you walked away. I was never untrue to you. I just lost the words to say.